2026 Nissan Frontier Pro-4X, off-road mods you need. The 2026 Nissan Frontier Pro-4X is a rugged midsize pickup truck built for trail enthusiasts and off-road adventurers. With its advanced 4x4 system, reinforced suspension, and durable construction, the Pro-4X is engineered to handle rocky trails, muddy paths, sand dunes, and steep inclines. To get the most out of this capable truck, equipping it with the right tires, lift kits, suspension upgrades, and off-road accessories is essential for performance, safety, and trail readiness. A top priority for Frontier Pro-4X owners is off-road tires. The 2026 Frontier can accommodate a variety of all-terrain and mud-terrain tires, providing superior traction, durability, and stability in extreme conditions. Popular options include BF Goodrich All-Terrain KO2, Nitto Ridge Grappler, and Falken Wild Peak at 3W, which deliver excellent grip on rocks, mud, sand, and dirt. Upgrading to larger tires improves ground clearance, approach/departure angles, and overall off-road capability, giving the Pro-4X a more aggressive and ready-for-adventure look. Suspension upgrades are another essential improvement. The Pro-4X comes with factory off-road suspension, but aftermarket lift kits, upgraded shocks, and sway bar disconnects can improve wheel articulation, ride comfort, and obstacle clearance. Brands such as Bilstein, Fox, and Icon Vehicle Dynamics offer durable solutions for trail-focused setups, enabling the Frontier to handle rocky terrain, deep ruts, and uneven trails with confidence. Other off-road modifications include rock sliders, skid plates, bumpers, and recovery gear. Rock sliders protect the truck's sides from scrapes and damage, while heavy-duty front and rear bumpers offer winch compatibility and enhanced durability. Skid plates safeguard vital components like the engine, transfer case, and fuel tank, ensuring the Pro-4X can survive the toughest trails. Installing LED light bars or auxiliary lights improves visibility for nighttime or low-light off-road adventures, enhancing safety and performance. Interior and utility upgrades are also important. All-weather floor mats, cargo organizers, roof racks, and bed storage solutions keep gear secure, while portable air compressors, recovery straps, and GPS navigation devices help drivers navigate challenging terrain safely and efficiently. Preparing your Frontier with the right accessories ensures it is fully ready for extended off-road trips. The 2026 Nissan Frontier Pro-4X is a versatile, trail-ready pickup capable of conquering mud, rocks, sand, and steep terrain. With the right tires, suspension upgrades, lift kits, and protective gear, the Pro-4X transforms into a fully capable off-road machine that can handle any adventure with confidence. Equipped with these essential mods, the Nissan Frontier Pro-4X 2026 delivers a thrilling, reliable, and highly capable off-road experience, making it a top choice for mid-size truck enthusiasts seeking adventure-ready performance and rugged durability.